This time on Boneyard Revivals, it is an 850-mile road trip from our home in Pennsylvania out to Kentucky to get ready for a Hot Rod Power Tour. Hey, I'm Robert. Welcome to Boneyard Revivals. Hey, want to go for a ride in my square body?
Yeah.
Well, boys, here she is. Cap's back on. Got the old school look going on here. I can't lie, I've realized something with this truck. The key is that the cap makes the truck. The rims and tires, because remember, these rims and tires are off the square body, and then obviously the GMC hubcaps are the hubcaps that John gave me when I bought the truck, but I just couldn't get behind it. And now that, you know, they're on the truck and the cap's on, I think everything's once again right with the world. And we are ready for 2,000 miles. So we are absolutely stoked to get on the road. We'll be leaving, it's Friday night now, we'll be leaving tomorrow morning, like early tomorrow morning, like 7 or 8 o'clock, hitting the road to head out to Kentucky. So of course we're gonna take you on, you know, that journey with us. And we might make a trip south first before going, you know, west. I think the old Hoodrich has a friend that she wants to stop in and see. Good morning. It's a little bit before 7 here, and we're getting ready to roll on out. So game plan today is, now for some of you that don't know, might be new to the channel, we're from like the eastern side of PA, Pennsylvania. I don't know why I felt like I had to throw that in there. Anyway, yeah, so normal people would drive west across the state and then like go down through like West Virginia or Ohio and then head straight down to Bowling Green. We're doing something a little different, and I want to keep it a surprise, but we're heading straight south today. Yeah, we gotta stop and make a little pit stop, a little friendly visit. But yeah, checked all the fluids. We're ready to go, and I think we're, you know, let's kick off Power Tour 2024. You ready? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. First fill up of the day. That tank is full. I filled that before, so now we're gonna fill our auxiliary tank. Oh, and also something else to mention too, I kind of forgot until I went to fill this up for the first time. Our auxiliary tank is also a 20-gallon tank. I forgot about that. I went to fill it up and I always thought it was a 16 because I just always assumed it was, and then never wanted to like run out of fuel, but it turns out it's actually a 20-gallon tank. So we have two 20-gallon tanks. Nice. Alrighty, about 175 miles in, just got into West Virginia. So far, so good. Crew cab running like a dream. We're gonna do the most scariest thing in my life and let Kira drive now.
That's not scary.
It's not scary.
I've done it before.
So, yeah, just, you know, mayonnaise, mustard, and,
Ketchup?
No, we don't want to become ketchup.
I thought you did.
No, we don't.
Why not? It's your favorite condiment.
I mean, it might be, but I don't want to. You know what? Just drive. Okay. How was your 80-mile jaunt in the crew cab?
Just like the other miles I've done in the crew cab.
No. Okay. Any remarks, reviews?
I don't know who gives Virginia drivers their license.
Yeah, there was some dude in like, what was that? Like some weird,
I don't know.
not
Ford
minivan,
Fiesta.
but yeah, Fiesta kind of thing. And he was just terrible. So yeah, he was jumping like in and out of lanes like an absolute moron. And it's just like, dude, you gotta stop everything you're doing. All right, let's hit the road again. I think we have, I don't know, like an hour to our destination. All right, made it to our special destination. And it just seemed fitting that we drive back through and swing back in where the truck came from. So we're back here with John, and what do you think of the unit?
I mean, I'm loving it. I'm glad to see it's back. Better than when I had it. I mean, it's just, it's going to do Robert a whole lot more good than what it did me.
I think the bug visor and the cow catcher definitely, the additions on the front definitely seem to work out really well. Which, like I said, those were both from you. So
Yep.
it just, I don't know. It's coming together very slow. I like it. Next is the diesel swap. But no, seriously, I know I keep saying it a million times to you, but thank you so much. This truck has been so awesome for us, and I'm just happy it worked out. We're able to swing back in to see you again.
Yeah, I'm glad y'all came down. I've been wanting to catch up with you.
Absolutely, it's been fun, and we still have a lot of driving to do. I think we have another 7.5 hours till we get to Kentucky, so we should probably get scooting, and we'll keep you informed to see how well the truck's gonna do. But up to this point, it's been bliss. And one other thing that I'll mention to you as well is this power steering pump is not ejecting itself off the shaft.
Yeah.
So we're still good there.
Hey, that was good that happened that day, though.
Right?
Oh,
Let us
just
hear.
the utter coincidence. It's crazy how that works.
Yeah.
And made a lifelong friendship. So it's been awesome. Thank
Been
you for
great
everything.
seeing
And you put it wherever you want.
This thing is way better than what I had.
And honestly, it didn't take much. It really didn't. It's been, like I said, it's been the best vehicle in my driveway. I promise you that. I promise you that. Reasons why I want to move to Tennessee. Yep, that right there. Because what I've been doing is just roll up to the gas station and just fill the driver's side tank, and then turn the switch on and let it run to fill the passenger side tank as this tank's filling. And it's worked out really, really well for us. So far, so good. Everything has been fantastic. I mean, knock on wood, of course, but I think at this point we're probably a good 500 to 600 miles in this thing, and it's been really, really good. Not getting the fuel mileage we were hoping for, but there was some weird stuff going on with like the O2 sensor and stuff that I never really fixed, which I probably should have, but it'll be stuff that we'll fix later. But oh, we're full. All right, well, we're gonna go grab some dinner and then get back on the road and try to make it into Kentucky tonight at a reasonable time. Pulled over quick. We're gonna play musical chairs here. Kira's gonna hop in the passenger seat. I'll be finishing the trip off. Why are the taillights not functioning? That's an issue. Huh. Yes, I don't know what happened there, but I guess one of the power wire that feeds supply, it looked like it broke, so I don't know if it was the way that it was wrapped or something. It split, but I checked taillights before we left and they worked, so I don't know if we have a burnt out bulb on the driver's side rear, but we at least have a marker light, and oh yeah, that's right, the passenger side, you're right. The passenger side, but we at least have a marker light, the brake light works, and the turn signal works, so I might just have to pick up a new bulb. But we have taillights now, so we're gonna boogie. We have about a little under 2 hours and 17 miles till we get to the hotel, so let's boogie. Wow, we made it to our destination. back's a little sore. Bench seats, you know, 850 miles really takes it out of you. However, crew cab, besides our little taillight issue, flawless, absolutely flawless. Definitely, you know, couldn't be more happier with this thing. It's been fantastic. And yeah, we got a little bit of work that I want to do tomorrow morning. Check over a few things, check fluids, all that kind of stuff. But we made it. How you feeling? Tired? Yeah. We've been on the road for like 15 hours or something. So yeah, it's been a long day. But
can't wait to go
lay down. But yeah, that's where we'll end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Flawless, except for the taillights, but that's so
minor
flaw compared to what compared to what has happened on previous trips for Power Tour. I'm not even gonna bat an eyelash at it.
Not at semi-working taillights.
Yeah, so we're all good. We'll fix that as the week goes on. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. We'll probably have a bunch coming out this week on Power Tour and what we're up to. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, you know, consider doing that and get out in the garage and make your dreams happen. Because if you want to go on Power Tour, the car sitting in the garage collecting dust, that ain't gonna help you get there. All right, so get out in the garage, start wrenching on your projects, and your dreams come true. We'll catch you later here on Boneyard Revivals. Take care.